Right, hold on. Right, I have to do this thing here because 10 minutes, right? Yale Shutter Padlock. Try to do this as quick as I can so I can get this wee bit out of my road, right? And then I have to turn it around halfway and then close it, right? Get this in the vise as quick as I can because I have 10 minutes here. And 10 minutes goes too quick for me, so it does. So that's the key bit on it. There's a 5-penner, right? Now down to the bit I look forward to picking it. Right, this here, straight to the back. Try and get pin 5. Always try and get pin 5 in this here. These wee shoulder locks. If you ever got one of these here, go to pin 5. Don't start from the front. Because every time I pick this here open, it's always been from pin 5. And if anybody tells you different, well, I don't know. I don't know what they've been picking. You sort of have to, it's very, I would, it's high up on that there, you sort of have to go way up on it. And it's awkward wee thing to get it, but, and to me, it's a hit and miss. If I get it, I get the lock open, and if I don't get it, it's a fail. I have nothing. I don't think I have anything. I'm trying to look around here. It's forced. Maybe forced green or forced tip. My bob. I know what they call them, but anyway. Probably that's the only one that's gonna get me way to the back. And get it open. I don't know. But then it's too thick. It gives the 2400th, 2500th of a pick, and see, it's sticking on me already. I need that there in 1900th. No, I need that 1900th because I can't even move that there. Can't even move that. I'm down to 6, just over 6 minutes. Let's see if I got anything here. I have to keep constantly remind myself light tension, light tension. As a beginner, you just got to keep telling you that it's got to become muscle memory. If it doesn't, then you're basically bait. The best thing about it is I've spent enough hours to know light tension, and you think it wouldn't become part of my muscle memory already, but sometimes you just forget. You get so engrossed in what you're doing, you forget about the tension. You sort of concentrate on the pick too much. I don't know anybody heard that, but that was my stomach growling mad. I think I'll have to get back to this here because I need to find out what I'm doing wrong. Right? Scrapping this video. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I do not know what I'm doing wrong. There's something I'm doing wrong and I do not know what it is. I do not know what it is. Just the curiosity, this thing's still locked by the way. I'll restart that again, just in case I get it open by some pure fluke, because it would be a fluke. You know what, boys? Hunger is killing me here, boys. It just seems to be my number one writing thing at the moment here. I should have had some of them in me about 5 hours ago, but yeah. So he says, it is what it is. We luck pickers have to endure this hunger. It's hard to believe I was picking this open at the very start and I was picking it open relatively easy. I done this yesterday and I had it picked out 2 out of 2 and now I can't pick it for the life, but then this is the next day and I should have recorded it. Look, there it is open now. Yeah, I hope this is recorded because this is recorded. I'm brilliant. I'm landed.